showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shine bright above. I breathe seem to whisper. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer. I breathe seem to whisper.
I think we read it
Dream a little dreamer. I breathe seem to whisper.
Suggested that Saturday night, sensational double thrill, stock car spectacular at 7:30 North.
Combo fan cake, eh?
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above. I breathe seem to whisper. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
I'm going to sleep for this time.
I breathe seem